Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through disabling message reminders notifications on Instagram using your PC. With the recent update, it's easier than ever to personalize your notifications. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Instagram account on your favorite web browser. Ensure you're logged into your profile so we can start tweaking those notification settings. Next, look at the bottom left corner of your screen for the More icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. It'll reveal a menu with several options to customize your experience. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to various settings options tailored for your account. Now, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you'll manage all the alerts you receive from Instagram. After you're in the Notifications section, focus on Push Notifications. This is where you can adjust how Instagram communicates with you through notifications. Now, scroll down to find the Message Reminders option. This feature can be helpful, but if you'd like to turn it off, simply select Off. This will immediately stop those pesky reminders from appearing, giving you a more streamlined Instagram experience. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message reminders notifications on Instagram from your PC. Now you can enjoy a quieter feed without interruption. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.